Hey everybody, Francis here from Vickar Mitsubishi. Today we have a 2018 Mitsubishi RVR GT. This does have a rear view camera, low kilometers, nice alloy wheels, heated seats, and so many safety features. Now let's get into the interior. So getting into the interior of the RVR, this has a nice big touchscreen display. It does have the Bluetooth audio, it does have the Rockford Fosgate sound system, heated seats, has the forward collision mitigation and lane departure warning. When you go into reverse, it has the backup camera, and it also does have a nice big panoramic sunroof. This also does have the lane departure warning, front collision mitigation, and power tailgate. So if you did want to view this vehicle, you can come see us at 950 Regent Avenue West, or you can call us at 204-667-9200. Once again, that's 204-667-9200. Vickar Mitsubishi, where customers and their friends.